Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to draw this type of materials in Solidworks. So let's get started. At first, select extrude boss command. Select top plane, then sketch two circle. Select smart dimension, give dimension 56, enter, and another is 32. Okay, then select this. Here take 56 dimension, then select OK. Now go to top plane, again select rectangle command, draw a rectangle here, select smart dimension, give dimension 6, then go feature and select extrude cut, select opposite, give 56, enter, then OK. Again go top plane, zoom fit, go select a center line, draw a center line here, again select rectangle command, draw a rectangle here, zoom fit, select smart dimension, here to here, (90), zoom fit, again it is 48. Then select convert entities, select this line, select OK, then select trim entities, trim unwanted line, OK. Now select extrude boss, give dimension 24, select OK. Now go feature, select extrude cut, select this portion, go sketch, draw a circle here, select smart dimension, give dimension 32, then select this, here dimension 48. Okay. Now our drawing is ready. So thank you for watching this video.